Hello everyone. In this video we will be talking about viruses. Herpes virus. Herpes virus can be classified into alpha herpes virus, beta herpes virus and gamma herpes virus. Alpha herpes virus can be classified into herpes simplex virus 1, herpes simplex virus 2, varicella zoster virus. Beta herpes virus, in that cytomegalovirus. Gamma herpes virus, in that Epstein-Barr virus. Morphology. Herpes virus is 100 to 200 nanometer in diameter. Contain capsid, double-stranded DNA genome, contain lipid envelope. Tegument is present between capsid and envelope. Herpes simplex viruses. There are two types of herpes simplex virus, type 1 and type 2. Herpes simplex virus type 1 is usually associated with oral and ocular lesion, while type 2 is responsible for the majority of genital infection. Pathogenicity or infection or diseases. Herpes simplex virus 1 causes herpes labialis, eczema herpeticum, encephalitis means inflammation of brain. Herpes simplex virus 2, genital herpes in penis, urethra, cervix, vulva, vagina. Neonatal herpes, aseptic meningitis means inflammation of the lining of the brain. Laboratory diagnosis, specimen collection, saliva, CSF, brain biopsy, skin swab. Microscopy, electron microscope is used. Culture and isolation, viruses requires living organisms to grow. Serological test, detect the presence of antibodies in the blood. Serological test such as ELISA and PCR. Varicella zoster, morphology same as herpes virus. Pathogenicity, chickenpox and shingles. Lab diagnosis, microscopy, electron microscope is used. Culture and isolation, viruses requires living organisms to grow. Serological test, detect the presence of antibody in the blood. Serological tests such as ELISA and PCR. Cytomegalovirus, morphology same as herpes virus. An individual infected with CMV carries the virus for life. About 10% of healthy women may carry this virus in their cervix. Cytomegalovirus can be transmitted from mother to the fetus. Pathogenicity, who get CMV have more serious symptoms affecting the eyes, lungs, liver, esophagus, stomach and intestine. Babies born with CMV can have brain, liver, spleen, lung and growth problems. The death rate of person affected with CMV is less than 1%. Laboratory diagnosis, specimen is collected, urine, breast milk, cervical secretion. Microscopy, electron microscope is used. Culture and isolation, viruses requires living organisms to grow. Serological test, detect the presence of antibody in the blood. Serological tests such as ELISA and PCR. Epstein-Barr viruses, morphology same as herpes virus. The virus specially affects the B lymphocyte. 80 to 90% of the children acquire EBV infection by the age of 3 years. Once infected, the virus is present in the individual for life. The source of infection is usually the saliva of infected person. Specimen is collected such as saliva. Microscopy, electron microscope is used. Culture and isolation, viruses requires living organisms to grow. Serological test, detect the presence of antibody in the blood. Serological tests such as ELISA and PCR. Adenovirus, morphology. Adenovirus is 70 to 75 nanometer in diameter. It is DNA virus. Capsid is present. Shape of adenovirus is like space vehicle. Pathogenicity or diseases, infection of respiratory tract, eyes, gastrointestinal tract, urinary tract. Laboratory diagnosis, specimen is collected, throat swab, conjunctival swab, urine, anal swab. Microscopy, electron microscope is used. Culture and isolation, viruses requires living organisms to grow. Serological test, detect the presence of antibody in the blood. Serological tests such as ELISA and PCR. Hepatitis virus, morphology of hepatitis virus A, 27 nanometer in diameter, non-envelope, single-stranded virus. The hepatitis A virus enters the body by oral route through contaminated food, water and milk. Hepatitis A virus causes inflammation of liver. Laboratory diagnosis, microscopy, electron microscope is used. Culture and isolation, viruses requires living organisms to grow. Serological test, detect the presence of antibody in the blood. Serological tests such as ELISA and PCR. Hepatitis B virus, morphology, 42 nanometer in diameter, contains envelope, double-stranded DNA virus. Mode of transmission is parenteral and sexual. Disease is caused by hepatitis B virus, liver failure, liver cancer, liver infection, cirrhosis of liver. It can be easily treated by vaccine. There are two types of carrier, simple carrier and supercarrier. Laboratory diagnosis, microscopy, culture and isolation, serological test. Hepatitis C virus, morphology, 50 to 60 nanometer in diameter, single-stranded RNA virus. It is not been grown in culture, but it has been cloned in Escherichia coli. Mode of transmission is parenteral and sexual. Laboratory diagnosis, microscopy, electron microscope is used. Culture and isolation, Escherichia coli is used. Serological test, ELISA and PCR. Hepatitis D virus, morphology, spherical in shape, 36 to 38 nanometer in diameter, single-stranded RNA virus, envelope is present. Mode of transmission, blood, laboratory diagnosis, microscopy, culture and isolation, serological test. Hepatitis E virus, morphology, spherical in shape, 27 to 38 nanometer in diameter, single-stranded RNA virus. Mode of transmission, contaminated water. Clinically, the disease resembles that of hepatitis A. Laboratory diagnosis, microscopy, culture and isolation, serological test. Hepatitis G virus, morphology, single-stranded RNA virus, transmitted parenterally, sexually and from mother to children. Laboratory diagnosis, microscopy, culture and isolation, serological test.